Hey everyone, my name is Philip, and in this video we're going to be going over how to create a lookup relationship in Salesforce. So the first thing you're going to want to do is when you log into your org, you're going to want to go to Setup and you want to go to Object Manager. So once you are inside of the Object Manager, you're going to want to choose the object that you want to have the lookup relationship on. So for this example, we are going to choose superhero and villains. After we select the superhero and villain object, then we're going to choose fields and relationships. We're going to create a new field. We're going to choose the data type of lookup relationship. We're going to choose next. And this step 2 is asking us what is the related object. So for this example, we're going to relate this object to another object, and we're going to relate it to headquarters. We're going to choose next. We'll make it plural, headquarters. In this step, we choose the visibility if we want all of the profiles to have visibility, or if we just want it to be read-only. We're going to leave it in this default setting. Hit next. We're going to add the page layout on this step, which is step 5, and we're going to leave it at the default setting and have all the page layouts to have this new relationship. And then we're just going to save it. And we just created a new lookup relationship. As you can see, it's right here, headquarters. We have a lookup.